来了！赶紧远一点！
哇，这个河水中间。
One of the most shocking consequences of this extreme weather event is the collapse of a major bridge in Beijing. The Longting Bridge, a vital artery connecting the region, collapsed due to floodwaters, revealing structural flaws. China is grappling with a catastrophic flood crisis that has wreaked havoc across multiple provinces. Torrential rains have unleashed a deluge of biblical proportions, transforming once peaceful rivers into raging torrents. The relentless downpours have triggered massive flash floods, sweeping away homes, businesses, and lives in their path. One of the most shocking consequences of this extreme weather event is the collapse of a major bridge in Beijing. The Longting Bridge, a vital artery connecting the region, was no match for the fury of the floodwaters. As the debris cleared, a chilling revelation emerged. The bridge had crumbled without a single steel bar breaking. This stark discovery has raised serious questions about the quality of infrastructure and the preparedness of the nation to confront such extreme weather events. The provinces of Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei, Inner Mongolia, Sichuan, and Hunan have been particularly hard hit. Millions of people have been affected, with countless homes destroyed and livelihoods shattered. Emergency services are stretched to their limits as they race against time to rescue those trapped in the floodwaters and provide essential aid to survivors. In Zhidan County, Shanxi Province, the downpour was unprecedented. Over 179 millimeters of rain fell in a single night, transforming the area into a watery abyss. Cars were tossed about like toys and entire neighborhoods were submerged. The images of destruction are heart-wrenching, a stark reminder of the raw power of nature. As the waters begin to recede, the extent of the damage is becoming clear. The road to recovery will be long and arduous. But amidst the devastation, there is also a story of human resilience. Communities are coming together to support one another, and the spirit of hope is beginning to emerge. China's leaders have activated emergency response plans, deploying troops and resources to the affected areas. However, the scale of the disaster is immense, and the challenges are daunting. The collapse of the Longting Bridge serves as a wake-up call, highlighting the urgent need for a comprehensive review of the country's infrastructure and disaster preparedness plans. Ultimately, the floods in China are a tragedy of immense proportions. But they are also a test of the nation's character and its ability to overcome adversity.